Oh, howdy our people is. I am doing a clean out of all old stuff, getting new things in. Here's our thermometers, and these I don't think I'll need so much now because of this kit that I just got, but I'll still hang on to those. These are our nosodes for parvo to lepto. I do not use needles for things like that. Nosodes are much better. This is for my eczema. I still get eczema on my hands because I am vaccine injured. Rubber gloves. Some more nosodes for me. For a few things. Poison ivy salve for me. An ear scope thing. Oh, there's the piece that goes to. Okay. If things cooperate, but yeah, this is our ear scope thingy for me or the critters. Stop. And then I have boron or phosphorus. That's phosphorus for my headaches. Bryonia, I guess is pronounced that. That's for other things. That's for relieves muscle and joint pain. That's my thing. And then colloidal silver. Stop! Colloidal silver gel. Use that for wounds care. A probiotic, pre-probiotic thing, and some vet tape stuff. Another rubber glove. Flea comb. This thingy. It's an oral syringe for liquid stuff. So, yeah, that's our little kit for the critters. You need to quit. Be quiet. Wake him. Be quiet. Capiche? AriYo.